Welcome to the activity that you've been waiting for probably a few weeks if your teacher's hinted at it. In a few seconds, we're going to determine what color different metallic ions burn. This is also a great time to talk again about safety with a Bunsen burner. So, first and foremost, to turn a Bunsen burner on, you have a valve. It's off when it's perpendicular to the nozzle, so it's off now, and it's off now. It is increasingly on until it's full blast at this moment. Using a lighter, just trying to get as close as you can. There you go. Now, this is a pretty good start actually, but flames look different sometimes. So as I zoom in, what if your flame randomly looks something like, I don't know, it's actually a really good case there. So normally what happens if I make that adjustment is the flame and inner cone disappear and it gets really high. To be honest with you, I like my cone to be about 1 inch tall. This is a lot bigger than I want. So I'm actually gonna lower the gas to about there. As you can see, the inner cone is much smaller. Also, you could change the amount of oxygen at the bottom. It is not hot to the touch. If anything, because I'm filming this video in winter, it's actually cold. So there is nothing wrong, and you can turn this and adjust. But you want your cone to be about 1 inch tall. So what we're gonna do is we have different splints that we're gonna use. And I have solutions in a secondary one that look like this. So I have solutions of all of these metals inside, and what I'm going to do, for example, this is strontium, I'm going to dip it in strontium, and we're going to see what color it burns. And again, this is obviously empty. I have a full one right underneath that you might have saw at the beginning of the video. So the first one we're going to do, let's see what color strontium burns. That's again strontium. The next one we're going to do, calcium. Calcium. And again, it's the initial color because then it starts to burn the metal. Barium is the next one. Again, barium is the next one. Again, you want the first color. The secondary color, it's gonna start to pick up the metal loop here at the end. So you want the beginning color. The second color it kind of switches to is not what you want. So this is the color you want, not that one. The next one, copper. Again, copper. The next one, which I think is one you probably already know, is sodium. So if you have a gas stove at home and you ever like see the random switches of color, it's this, because there's salt in your food. So this is one you probably already know. And if not, check it out maybe the next time you help cook. My personal favorite of these, potassium. Again, potassium. This one I'm noticing on camera is not showing up as well. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, at the end there you start to see. I'm going to do this a few times. I'm going to make sure you see the color. It's not the orange. That's the metal. You can kind of see it. I'm going to actually maybe try to go a little higher to see. I'm seeing it a little bit on camera. It is not as strong as the others. It's not the orange you're seeing. Okay, there it is a little bit. Again, we have some time, so I'm going to do this a few more tries. Going to get it right. There's another color in there that's not orange. Do this a few more times. And again, if you are having problems with it, just ask your teacher for help. Because again, I know this is very different in person than what it is on camera. And then the last one is lithium, which for a lot of people is their favorite. And again, to turn off the gas, perpendicular. Now, to be honest with you, I went the wrong way. I probably should have just done this. And also too, when the gas is on, you'll be able to hear it hiss. That, along with the smell, will tell you that a nozzle is on, and that tells you you want to turn it off. Admittedly, I understand that in that one, there were 3 that could be considered red or orange, okay? I will tell you that there is a difference between them. One is red orange, and one was orange, okay? Not the biggest thing. Underneath there's some questions about which ones were which, so if you need to watch this video multiple times, go ahead. The next video will be about the unknown section.